Hi and welcome again with Umbraco Tutorials. Today we are doing part 12. Let's go briefly talk about the previous video, and it was about the blogs. So we have done together in the previous video, we have created the blog document view with the template, and we have modified the header to differentiate between the homepage and the blog. So just to adjust that banner and with the title and add extra data in the blog page. So as we promised last video, we are going to do the blogs view. So what is that blogs view? So let's close this PowerPoint. So the blogs view is this page here, or this small section. So if you add any post in the back office, it should be rendered here. We show the end user small or brief description about it. We can add the similar to this one exactly. We can say the title plus subtitle and who created and when it's created. So that's what we are going to do today. So how we can create that stuff? So if we back to the home in the back office, let's close this one here. We don't need it. So we have already the blogs. So we'll create a view component. That view component will loop on the blog or on the post we have here. I don't know. We should call post, not a blog. I don't know why I call it like this. So it should be each post. We should loop on them, and we take the name and the data we need to display it in the view component. So let's jump to Visual Studio and we create our view component. So it will be similar to what we have done before. In this view component, let's say here we can add a new class. We'll call it same name, what we have there, call it blogs view component. So this view component, my machine getting a bit slow. So it will inherit from view component, and I will add the view component tag same time. View component. It's view component, not components. So straight away we add our private read only iLogger. So this iLogger will take our component name. We call it logger. Also, we need to call we need to call Umbraco helper here. Umbraco helper to access the data. Let's call it Umbraco helper. And also we need our constructor, CTOR. So in the constructor, we need to pass our data. So we need to say that like that, Visual Studio. Then it is, let's say, just like this one here. Oh, let's leave it like this. That's fine. Don't need to change that stuff. So now let's say it will be a public iView component result. We'll say invoke. So we are not passing currently any data to this view component. So for now, just let's return null. So yeah, let's try to get the content. So from Umbraco helper, we'll say give me the content root. Also give me the first or default. What I need from that font, I need the home page first. So we got the home page. After we got the home page, I need all the children for the home page. And after that, I say, give me first or default. The X should be visible first. And also it should be, let's say, X dot, it should be only, oh, what the heck is this? Should be X. I think I don't need you here. Yeah, X dot, I need the is document type of which one we need now? We need the blogs only. Everything's under blogs. And we say it is as a blogs because we know what we are getting exactly here. This one. We cast it to blogs. So if the content is null, then say back to the view. Currently leave it like this, or we return something. So now here we prepare our data. We went to the back office. We said go to the root. If the root is home, call it home. So give me the visible blogs. So in this one should be all the blogs children under this one. So how we can get them? But before we get the blogs children or the current content children, we need to understand or we need to know. Let's say is we need to know what we need to get from there. So first things I need to create our view. So what I need the title, subtitle with this two lovely stuff here. So we need title and subtitle. So where I need to store that data, I need to send them to the front end or to the HTML page or the Razor page. So I need to create a class for this one. So I need to create something called, let's say, similar to what we have created before. I need to create something called view blogs. So in this view blogs, what we are trying to get from, or we're trying to send to the front end. Let me just add straight away, better than taking time writing. So I need the title, as we said, subtitle, and also we need the blog URL created by, sorry, author URL and the create date. That's what we need to send to the to the Razor page. So I need now create it as a list because there will be many. So it will be a blogs view. So where is it? This blogs view. This one here. My mouse, please. So we will call it blogs view same, and that's it. So now here after we got that content, so I need to loop on that content, which is this one, but I need the children of this content. The children of this content. Okie dokie. So if the children are null, so there will be new list of a blog, just to be on the safe side. If something happen, will be in the safe side. So that's now fine. So now I need to add that children I got, or the data I got from this items, I need to add them to my blogs view. Oh, what the heck is here? Blogs view. It is here, should be view. Okay, let's say add. I need to add here a new blog view. Why it is like this? Okay, you come here, please too. Nice. So first thing we said, we need title. The title will be the item dot title. Why we are not getting any title? Dot title. Oh, something here. So we are saying item. Oh yeah, we just need to cast it because we know also what we are getting. So I need to straight away say title. Oh, this one. Subtitle. Should understand it. Item dot subtitle. Block URL. So the URL for that item or the blog. So it will be how we can get the URL, just something called URL method here, created by, similar to what we have done with the blog. So it will be that creator name method, author. The author, as we said, still need to get it after. We need to create it after. So I'll leave it as a string empty now. And extra stuff. So also we need the created date, which it is the item dot created date should be the created date. Also we send it to string the format. That's it. But let's remove this greenish, or you can ignore it. And this one here same need to be. Let's use this one. Or same. That's fine. Method will be null. That's let's add it here too. Nice. So after we got our data, so this one, if this so this one is filled already, let's say. So we got the data. If this one null, we'll go send something empty. That means we have nothing there. Otherwise, we'll get the data, fill it, and send it to the view again here. Yeah, and we'll say here, give me the blogs view. Our lovely exception, similar to what we do always, we can say like this. That's it. So this here, the code part here finished for, or the back-end stuff. So now the second part is we need to do the HTML. So the HTML, as we do always, so we need to go to that in the shared, something called component. I need to create a folder called blogs, same the name we have created here. So under that one, I can copy one of this crazy one. Let's empty it from here. So I don't need to go to header. I need to go something called the blogs view. That's what we need. So how I can get the HTML for this one? I think we have it already in the home page. If you go to the home page, you can see here. We can take all this from here, from the home page. We can back again to the default in this one, not added here. So which is the repeated part we can remove. I will leave this one. I don't care about the pagination now, the divider now. So this repeated divider, let's remove it till this one. So the part we are repeating is this one. So maybe we can say 1, 2, 3. Which one is repeated from here? 1, and we need the divider 2. So the 4 each will be here. 4 each. So it will be for our model, and this model is type of new list. So this list will be type of blogs. I need a new keyboard. Blogs view. Yeah, this one. What is complaining? And this our type, and this 1, 2, 3. Well, remove it. You don't need it. Yeah. That's right. We are working with single item. No, here we have to work with the enumerable from multi items here. Why this will work? But this is still a grade one here, and that's one why it's not working. Show fix. Oh, ding ding. That's fine. Come on, please. So we'll remove all this from here. Still complaining. Let me check it. I don't know why it's complaining here, but we'll leave it for now. And let's take this part and we add it here, and we don't need any more divider here. So first things is we need the so the item. I need the URL for that blog, and after that we need the title. It's model dot title. Sorry, not model. It's item dot title. A subtitle. And also we need the who created this post, created by, and the date, which will be at item dot created date. That should be nice like this. And let's save this one. So how we can call this component, or where we need to call it in the home page, we can say just blocks VC. We are not passing any data, we are not passing any things. Let's see if we have any issue with it. So here, as you see, we can see that 2 posts we add here. Let's confirm them, everything is working fine. So let's go again to the bag office, and let's say Umbraco here. Let's create one more post to see what's happening exactly here. So let's say, can we duplicate anything here? Let's see, Umbraco, they can do it. Create, copy, let's say. No, in this one. No, this one. Okay. I don't know, we'll break something, or let's like copy or duplicate this post. That's here, number 2, they call it. That's fine. let's publish it. So if we refresh our page, we should be able to see 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's change the title for this one here. Let's call it number 2. And we published it again. Let's refresh. So now we are seeing, so any post you add in the back office under blogs, you will be able to see it here straight away. So as you see, we have done nothing. It's just simple code in the back end and simple code same time in the front end. So if we just revise it, so we have created a small list to collect our data or store our data to pass it to the front end. We said what type of document type we need to collect data from. We said only give me all the blogs, all the posts under blogs. So we store them in the blogs view, and after that we send it to the front end. In the front, as you see, it's simple code we have done here. So that don't worry about the issues here. In the next video, we'll try to use or we try to implement the pagination. So if we create more posts, so we can handle all of them in one page here. So it could be 100 to 100 blogs. So I can't put all of them in one page here. So we need to enable the pagination here, and we'll see how we can do that in the next video. I hope this video it is easier than the previous one, and you have learned something new with us. See you in the next video.